So what do you guys think? The Cayman is finally done. Well, version 1 is done. I have many versions to come. Still a lot to do. Oh, did I kick up some rocks?
We got a rock collection forming right here.
Yeah. So we're at a very unique location. We are definitely not at our shop in Park City. We are at Provo Town Center Mall to do a photo shoot. Our buddies at V12 Lifestyle, Zach, he basically has unlimited access to this property, and he hooked it up with security and everything for us to get inside the mall with our 2 cars.
And I know we're supposed to be quarantining, but we're being cautious, but the mall's still shut down, so it's completely empty.
But today's video is gonna be really fun. We're just gonna do a behind the scenes photo shoot of the 2 cars, and we are extremely happy to tell you guys today's video is sponsored by Keeps, and we will tell you a lot more about them towards the end of the video. We need to figure out how to get inside this mall. So my buddy Zach told me he would meet me in the parking garage there. I'm not sure if that's the entrance to the mall or if we're just gonna do some rev battles in there. We have not done a rev battle between the Fab Speed exhaust and the Soul Performance exhaust on my Cayman. We should go hear what that sounds like. One thing that's kind of a negative that I'm learning really quick about air suspension is it's very loud. But it's fine. It's the price you gotta pay to look good. Zach, what is up?
Dude, this is what's up. You're what's up.
It's pretty sick, huh? This is your first time seeing it?
Yeah. It's insane.
You approve?
I maximum approve.
So, are we in the parking garage to do a rev battle or get in the mall?
Yes.
Zach said this parking garage sounds really good. So we're gonna do some rev battle between the 2 cars here. Then we're gonna make our way inside the mall.
I don't know, that was pretty good too. They're both pretty loud.
They're both super loud.
But I like the tune of that one.
Yeah, this one's high pitched, tingy.
Yeah.
In the comments below, which one do you think sounds better? They're definitely different. This one's much louder, much more like high pitched, fine-tuned sounding. The Porsche is classic flat 6 rumble. Let me know in the comments below, which one do you think sounds better? Whoa.
Ferrari.
So we just finished the rev battle. He said the doors are where?
Right over yonder.
Over there. So we gotta go back out of the garage, back loop around. We gotta get those big doors unlocked. Security's over there, right?
I think so.
All right, fingers crossed we don't get in trouble. So we just met up with security at the door right here. They gave us the A-OK. They unlocked the door. These are actually like giant wall doors, and they actually unlocked these pylons. So we gotta pull these out. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, you guys ready?
Oh, right.
Oh, no way, Zach, you're up. Oh,
so
geez.
strong.
All right, Faith, you're up.
That one's locked.
Oh. You think I can fit through here?
Oh yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah. We just need one. Faith, open the doors. Open sesame.
I don't know how.
I think that's big enough, right? This is so sweet. Pylons moved, doors open. Now I need to get the car up on the sidewalk, which is gonna be very tricky because all we have is like a wheelchair ramp right here. So we need to get my car, which is 2 fingers high. We need to get that up this ramp without scraping and around the poles and inside. Ready for this? X Games mode.
How's that X Games mode?
I don't know, it's off-road mode now.
Okay. Oh. Oh.
It's not even moving.
Good?
Woo!
Oh, wait somebody.
Whoa! He's flexing. He's flexing. XJ mode.
XJ mode.
Wow, he did it.
Nice.
Now just do it with a Ferrari.
I'm confident you got this. Just don't scrape.
If I scraped, it's your fault because you're directing me.
I know. Crank it. Nice.
Wow.
Good job.
Wow.
She definitely did a way better job than you.
I know.
Wow.
You killed it. Good job. You did way better than I did.
I did, didn't I?
It feels awesome driving into the mall, right?
Yeah, it does actually.
Oh, Sergey. How you doing? Good?
Geez, we got cameras on cameras on cameras. Ooh, nice angle, Gavin. You're getting it in there. Dang, Sal, what hospitality. Saturdays for the boys, right, huh, Sal? Yeah.
Ready? No, just lean, go this way forward. Nope, nope, nope.
What?
That way forward.
Oh.
Okay, you ready?
Wait,
Just plank right here.
Plank. Oh.
Is this as fun as you imagine?
No.
So we pulled the Cayman in right here next to the escalators. All the photographers are getting their shots, and I brought my longboard to keep myself entertained because photo shoots can take a while sometimes. Let's go right around. Also, we have Zach's Bentley right there. It's pretty sweet. All right, let's do this. Oh, you gotta go faster. Oh,
Oh, fail. Right there.
Nice. That was pretty smooth.
We're getting creative up in here. Hold up. When this door opens, you know I'm about to buy Clayton that shirt. Not gonna lie, this is super fun.
So Zach did give us permission that if we happen to do donuts, we won't get in trouble.
Really? Skid mark.
Gotta clean them off now, yeah.
Wow.
Done. We made a mess, guys. Well, I did.
Yeah.
So we have to clean the tire marks off the ground. So we just moved the Cayman into this like courtyard area. I don't even know what you would call this. Big opening area. The photographers are up there getting their shots, but I think it's time we talk business. We are so excited to announce today's video has been sponsored by Keeps. Keeps is revolutionizing the way men are treated for hair loss. So I'm gonna be real with you right now. Male pattern baldness is something that I worry about in the future. I am slowly getting what I call my peninsula going on right here. But Keeps says prevention is key. Now, 2 out of every 3 men will experience some sort of male pattern baldness by the time they're 35. And I'm 28, you guys, so I'm not far off by 35, and I'm already experiencing it. So like I've said, they've revolutionized and streamlined the entire process. In fact, you don't have to go see a doctor anymore to get your prescriptions. You can visit a doctor online and have your prescription sent directly to your house. And because it's so streamlined, you don't have to go broke to avoid being bald. So if you guys are ready to take action and prevent hair loss now, go to keeps.com/summitlife or click the link in the description below to get 50% off your first order. That's keeps.com/summitlife.
50%?
50%.
You're signing up, right?
Yeah, I'm actually having stuff sent because I don't want this to, yeah.
We got a skater pup.
Oh, he was a skater boy. He said, see you later, boy. Man, photo shoots take a long time. This is so much fun.
Yeah, this is
what an
pretty cool.
experience.
What an experience.
What an experience. But it's like past our lunchtime. You hungry?
Isn't there like a Red Robin conveniently placed like 20 feet that way?
Oh. Yes. We'll get Red Robin to go. And
But we drive there?
We'll just drive on over. Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, I want to place an order for pickup or like to-go order. We do have a request though. It's going to be a little bit more unique. So we're going to be driving up to pick up our orders, but we're going to be driving in the mall. Okay, cool. We'll drive over in like, I don't know, 10 minutes.
All right, I think our burgers are ready. We ready to head on over? You ready to go? All right, let's hop in. All right. Where's the key? There it is. Personally, I don't know how we're all gonna fit over there because it's a little tight, but let's do this. Let's see what this looks like. Curbside pickup inside the mall.
So we got drive-through status right now. That was so much fun. It was a drive-through in a mall. That's insane. So I parked the car right here. It's kind of cool. 2020 is going to be an amazing year. We had a weird start to it, but it's going to be an amazing year. I cannot wait to get the Cayman completely done. Like I said, this is V1 out of maybe 3 or 4 versions. So we stopped real quick. We took some photos. We do need to get out of the mall. We just heard from security. Our time is about up, but we have our Red Robin right here. We're going to go get out of the mall and go eat in the parking lot, I think. So I'm gonna jump back in the car and let's get going. Ready, Faith? Perfect.
Now flooring.
Good job.
Yeah, you're good back here.
I'm just worried about my rim.
Not to scare you, but you'll be fine.
You're good. Year 2020, the year of eating in the parking lot.
Yeah, eating in the parking lot. So there's people over there eating. These people are gonna eat in the parking lot.
It's good stuff.
2020 is a weird year.
It is super weird.
I've been around here.
Well, that was pretty cool. Can't say that I've ever driven a Ferrari inside a mall before.
You can't now.
So I knocked that off my bucket list.
Yeah, today was so much fun. We can't thank our buddy Zach with V12 Lifestyle enough. In fact, we want to let you guys know that his store is in here. Should be done in a couple months. He also has a small YouTube channel. Link is in the description below.
Well, I think it's time to race home and edit this video. And I guess we'll see you guys in the next one.
See ya. Peace.
Hey, good afternoon.
How are you?
Trooper Egan with the Highway Patrol. I'm doing well. And
Good.
you?
I'm doing great. It's a beautiful day.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
Hey, the reason I'm stopping you today is for your window tint.
Okay.
Okay. Are you aware that you've got illegal front window tint and illegal?
Yes, I am.
Yeah.
Yep.
You out doing some photos?
Exactly. Yeah, we
of the car and just getting
the car. Yeah.
Okay,
Cool.
I'll be right back with you.
Thank you. Well, you guys almost made it home safe and sound. As you can see right there, we got pulled over at the last possible second. The shop is literally 1 mile that way. We got pulled over for window tint. Hopefully, we just get a warning.
Just get it fixed, get it signed off.
Great.
Okay?
Cool.
Any questions?
No, thank you so much.
All right, drive safe, keep it on our speed limit. And
Absolutely.
Just enjoy
I can't go very fast in this.
It's a beautiful car. So.
Thanks.
Okay.
I was gonna say you didn't miss, or my wife passed like right before me in that black Ferrari.
Oh, okay.
She was under the speed limit, right?
She was going 65 on the nose.
Okay,
I'm like,
good.
Something's wrong here. This car, but no, I turned my head. That's a good car too. So.
Yeah, I was trying to keep up with her, but yeah. Thanks,
All right.
dude.
Have a good day.
Have a good one. We got a fix-it ticket. Dang it! We got a fix-it ticket on the front windshield and the doors. Luckily, in the state of Utah, I can either pay $60 and have it just go away, and that's about it, or I can strip the tint and have it signed off and not pay anything. It's a bummer. I'm just glad that Faith snuck by him doing 65. Anyways, like we said earlier, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for our next ones. The next ones may include ripping the tint off. But until then, peace.